The tunnel grew colder. Miller and I were close to the surface now. Soon, we would climb up into the howling wind to fight our way through whatever nightmares were waiting there. My long journey was nearly at the end. But would I have the courage, the will to see it through?
Hey, Artyom. When you left your home station, do you ever think we'll end up in a place like this? Not knowing whether we were about to save our world or send it straight to hell.
Gotcha!
We'll have to get through the military outpost to reach the surface. He's moving in the next room. Open the gate, I'll cover. Open the door. I'll cover you. Shit is always breaking down in here. Use the auxiliary gun system. Ready, Artyom? Follow me. You missed. Okay, up we go. Seems like nobody's home. Before we hit the surface, put your gas without it.
We're almost there. This is the Korolev Performance Hall. It's really close to the tower. Look, Suki, here they come. Let's give it a pull. Okay, Artyom, let's move together. You ready? Pull! Anuka! Let's move out. And here it is, Artyomушка.
Come in, Woodman. Come in. Over. You're coming through loud and clear. Over. We're at the tower. I repeat, we're at the tower. Did the group move out? Over. Well, that's That's affirmative. We've made contact. They should be in the vicinity of the tower now. Over. Roger. We'll contact you again when we're at the top of the tower. Get a fix on our location then. Over.
Let's go, the others should already be here. Glad to see you, Colonel. Did you hear that? Listen. What the hell is it? Form a circle!
Stay calm. Watch your backs, boys.
Okay. Looks is gonna be tougher than the library.
My mark. Shit, wait, slide it well.
Demons!
Life was never easy in the tunnels, but it was our home. There was comfort in its routines, in seeing the same people day after day. But since the mutant attacks had escalated, fear ruled the station. I had just turned 20, and could never have imagined what would follow on the morning that my stepfather's friend Hunter arrived at the barricade.
Artyom! Awake at last, I see. Hunter's on his way in. He should have news from the other stations. Come on. Let's go, Artyom.
Pigs.
Alex,
Yes, Nikolai?
the station can't survive much longer if these attacks don't stop. We must do something.
What more can we do? We'll see what Hunter says.
Hello, Arton. Another patrol was attacked last night. The hospital's full.
The situation's under control.
Mommy, do we need to wait?
Let's go, Artyom.
What about Alexei? He was at the outpost.
My brother is in...
No visitors.
Pieter!
Oh, that's you. Come on, Alex. Hello, Artyom. How are
Movement. Two died this morning.
The Dark Ones do not kill outright, but they damage a victim's mind. Leads to death.
Can't get it. I can't reach.
No, keep away from me. What the hell? Who could that be?
It's Hunter.
Mutants don't knock first. Open the damn gate. Welcome to Exhibition, Hunter.
Thanks. Now close your gate.
It's been a long time, Hunter.
Good to see you, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
So, Hunter, what's happening in the outside world these days?
Not much. Most of what I hear is about the exhibition and the undead infesting your tunnels. Artyom, I met a trader selling old postcards of New York City. I thought of your wall.
These are not the usual mutant creatures. This is something else. Something much worse.
Dark ones. Well, whatever in hell they are, my order has a motto. If it's hostile, you kill it.
The Dark Ones do not...
Just what we needed.
The hospital.
Take your group to the tunnels.
Alex,
Hunter...
we must stay here and defend the hall.
All right, Artyom, quickly, get a weapon. Artyom, they never come this far into this station.
It's the hospital. They smell the blood. I shot this one. No Dark Ones here. Just the usual tunnel trash.
Even when you don't see them, the Dark Ones are there. Fear. That's their weapon. That's what made the Nosalises run through the tunnels like rats. The Dark Ones are not simple mutants. They're Homo Novus, the next step in evolution. You've heard about survival of the fittest? Guess what? We lost.
What's happened to you, Alex? You can go like lambs to the slaughter. I'll hang on to whatever life I got with teeth and claws. And I'll take more than a few of your Homo Novus with me to hell.
You think you're some old movie cowboy? Have a look, Hunter. 10 soldiers trained in combat. Their bodies broken, their minds gone.
Destroy the outer guard post!
The devil knows what's happening out there, beyond your perimeter. I must go recon the situation. Listen carefully, Artyom. If I'm not back here by morning, you must get to police station and find a man named Miller. Tell him what's happened to me, and what's stirring in the northern tunnels. Show this to Miller, so he knows I've sent you. I trust everything to you, Artyom. Don't let me down. If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminated. Understand?
Hunter did not return. It wouldn't be easy to find an excuse to leave the station and travel to Polis, but I had given my word. I learned that the caravan was heading to Riga the next day and needed guards. I signed on for the ride.
Finally! Taking your time as usual, huh? Alright, grab your gear, go to the platform, they're waiting for us. I'll meet you there. Hey, Artyom, don't forget anything, huh? Вот что спереветаться.
Hey, that's some nice music.
I'm sick and tired.
Got it from a...
All right, then try something else now. How about... I know. How about the house we...
No!
Oh, shit. Dream.
Could cook like you, I'd be the happiest man in the world. So I ask you, can you cook at all? And he says, actually, I'm not
Nobody home. Dirt everywhere, just dirt.
Is that you, Pete?
What?
Look who's talking about dirt. Walking around and leaving those dirty footprints everywhere. Not giving a damn. Get up after them.
Under the proposed agreement, our stations are to jointly...
Didn't I ask you to stay close?
Trade, communications, resources, and so on. Most importantly, the northern tunnels will now be secured by our combined military units, a major step in defense of the metro system. As a sign of goodwill, from Riga are already on their way here. We're counting on all our citizens to welcome our new allies and to offer them the same respect shown to our home guard. Thank you for your attention.
medicine.
Good weapons make good soldiers. Whatever you say.
As you wish.
Big snouts! Set a reasonable price today. They are fresh, too.
Fog.
Safety line. Again, by the book.
Please.
Get your ass home.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Artyom, where's your gear? No, go to the armory and get geared up.
That's one happy family for you.
Your schoolmates just slow you down or make you bigger target. For now.
While at war, your weapon is your best friend.
Station and curse station. That's a special case.
Whatever.
Artyom, get to the armory.
Hello, Artyom. Hello, Artyom. You need some weapons? Okay, let's take a look. Submachine gun, 5.45 caliber, made in the armory. It's got poor accuracy and overheats like hell. That's why they call it a bastard gun. Use short bursts, Artyom. Help yourself to some ammo, too. Here's a universal charger to keep the battery powered. And a gas mask. Put it on if you crossed any radiation hot zones. Or, God help you, go up to the surface. Army issue first aid kits, just in case. Okay, you're supplied, my friend. Feel free to try out your weapon on my firing range. And you try not to stick out your head too much, okay?
Do you think one day we could go back up to the surface? I've never seen Moscow, just the old pictures.
Moscow's gone. Soon we'll be gone too. And the monsters will inherit the Earth.
Okay, that's it. Put it down.
Hi, Artyom. How about the back? A mighty fine bat.
One more. Give me some rest.
Artyom! Artyom, here! Here! Move it!
Привет! So you ready to move out?
If I'd have minded that thing, I'd gone near. Imagine that your invention was the #1 motor tool in the world.
Are you ready? Well, let's go then.
It's worse than losing that than inventing the guillotine.
You take that seat there too. And you, Eugene, take this one. Did anybody forget anything?
Hey guys, going to Riga?
Yeah, we are.
Can I get a lift?
Sure, but no free rides. You'll have to pull the lever sometimes.
I can do that.
Let's go then. Alrighty then. Good luck to everyone staying home, and to us too. Let's go.
To us.
So, are you ready to finally be somewhere else?
Artyomka! Free at last, huh? Well, for as long as the ride takes, anyway. Should be fun. Or dangerous. Even better, right?
It was the first time I had left the safety of my home station. It troubled me that I hadn't told my stepfather the truth. I would not be heading straight back from Riga. But Hunter was depending on me.
So, where you from?
Riga. I'm making the rounds, buying merchandise.
Places then.
Yeah, the market is right next to Riga, and that's a big metro already. I used to make regular trips to Polis, but getting there now requires a lot of luck. That or being from Hansa.
I'd love to ride that thing.
Hansa connects to the whole metro and has a lot of stations, but doesn't welcome outsiders. And if it's not Hansa, then you have to go through the Reds, the Nazis, or your regular bandits. And these guys are really going at it lately. If they're not fighting everyone else, they're warring with each other. I've ever been through was Sevastopolskaya. Actually, I didn't even reach the station itself. I was sudden.
Slow down, guys. A military caravan got stuck near Alexeyevskaya. A tunnel collapsed or other shit. You have to use the service tunnel bypassing Alexeyevskaya.
I hate this tunnel. All right, Peter. Open up again. No point being stuck here forever.
What's wrong with that tunnel?
Well, it's an ordinary tunnel. Not as well lit, maybe. I went through there last month and, well, I just don't like it. That's all. And we're armed, so I think we'll make it there okay.
I'll help. That way we'll get to Riga in no time, right?
No, we should get out of here sooner. It's scary when they're...
What do you mean, them? What the hell is going on, bud? Boris? Boris? Boris!
Hey, what's happening to me? Huh?
My head!
Artyom! Over here!
If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminate.
Wake up! Wake up, for Christ's sake! Boris! Boris, wake up! Boris! Shit! It's no good! Ah! Oh, God! Ah! Shoot them! You shoot them! Take the ladders! Come on! People, wake up for Christ's sake! Boris, wake up, Boris! Shit! It's not good! Ah! Oh God! Ah! Shoot them! You shoot! I'll take the ladders! Come on! Artyom, take my shotgun! Here! Artyom, it's gonna get me! Artyom! But they're all blocked.
He's alive! Come here, quick! Don't use the flamethrower! Please! Give him a... God!
Riga station was only the first stop on my journey, but the caravan went no further. So, before parting ways, we drank to celebrate our survival. The vodka didn't drown my fear of traveling on to Polis alone, but I was about to find myself with an unexpected and notorious partner.
All right, boys. Let's train to our friend Artyom, who goes right through monsters and anomalies alike. To Artyom.
To you!
Hell, if not for you, Artyom, we'd have been shredded like cabbage. You deserve a medal. Or at least some extra ammo. Here, take them. To you.
Artyom, to you! Artyom, you really immune to that shit?
See if that shroom vodka knocks him down, huh?
Okay, we've got to check that. To our luck! And to Artyom!
To you. The vodka kicks everyone's ass, huh?
So tell me, the tunnel to